Last year, I sold my house, moved into an apartment, and told myself it was temporary. Then my lease renewal showed up, and I had to be honest about something I didn't expect to feel. My plan was simple: rent for a year, buy something new, move on. But somewhere along the way, something started changing. So today I want to tell you why. And since so many of you asked, I'll show you around the apartment along the way. It all started with a number. I bought my house when I was 57, not thinking about retirement. It was 3 stories. And along the way, I developed hip arthritis. Those stairs became a daily dose of pain. Nothing dramatic, just that constant reminder multiple times a day that my home didn't really fit what my body needed anymore. There were days I tried to avoid going upstairs unless I absolutely had to, because I knew it would aggravate my hip. But the bathroom was upstairs, so that wasn't realistic. And for a while, I really tried to make the house work. I looked into what it would take to stay there long term. 1 level living, a bathroom and laundry on the main floor. The estimates came back all over $100,000. I had to be honest with myself. I wasn't going to spend that kind of money just to stay in a house that I wasn't super excited to live in. So I didn't. I sold it. And I didn't notice how much energy I was spending working around that hip pain until I wasn't anymore. But it wasn't just the stairs. It was the whole house, always feeling like there was something that needed to be fixed, changed, or figured out to make life work better. Then I moved, and it was like a weight was lifted off my shoulders. Honestly, I didn't know how tired I was of working around my own house. And what surprised me wasn't that apartment living felt easier. I expected that. But it was how quickly I stopped thinking about housing altogether. I wasn't looking for reliable contractors. I wasn't making fix-it lists. I wasn't mentally redesigning rooms. Life just started feeling simpler. I also underestimated how much I would appreciate true 1 level living, not just because of my hip, but because convenience matters more to me now than square footage. I used to think more space was luxurious. Now having a calm morning feels better than having more rooms. I think one thing retirement also changed for me is how I think about convenience. Now I think more about what would make everyday life easier. Because once you retire, you spend a heck of a lot more time living in your house. But before I tell you what happened when my lease renewal showed up, let me show you what life actually looks like here. What surprised me was what started mattering, not the apartment itself, just everyday life. Being on 1 level, having less to take care of, feeling like my weekends actually belong to me, being able to walk to places nearby that fit the way I spend my time now. None of those sound like big things, but together, they started changing how I felt about living here. One thing I didn't expect to love was having life right outside my door. I'm close to the bike trails. I can walk to my favorite coffee shop. I'm right on the river. And some mornings I'll take my coffee and sit by the water before the day really starts. And lately, that started feeling better than having more rooms. And I didn't realize how much I missed life feeling that easy. That's why opening the lease renewal felt bigger than I expected. Because if I'm honest, I wasn't completely sure I wanted to leave just yet. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but renting is throwing money away. You need a paid-off house in retirement. And I get that. But for me, it hasn't felt like paying for less. It's felt like paying for simplicity. Owning came with expenses. But what surprised me was how much energy it took. And I didn't realize how much I valued not carrying that anymore. In the house, there always felt like there was another project waiting. Here, my costs are much more predictable. If something breaks, maintenance handles it. No contractor calls, no scheduling headaches, no extra costs. Then a few weeks ago, something happened that made this really click for me. After a big rainstorm, I noticed water coming out of my bathroom fan. Old me immediately went into problem-solving mode. Who do I call? How much is this going to cost? And there goes my day. Then I remembered, wait, I rent now. So I put in a maintenance ticket. The maintenance man was there within hours, and I just went on with my day. That's when it hit me. I didn't miss being responsible for every little thing. Not because I couldn't have handled it, I certainly could have, but I noticed how good it felt that it wasn't automatically my problem. Okay, back to my lease renewal. I remember opening that email and bracing myself because so many of you in the comments warned me that my rent would explode. And honestly, I thought this might make the decision for me. If rent jumped enough, I figured I'd start house shopping seriously again. And then I saw the increase. $1. I actually laughed. After all the warnings, my rent went up exactly $1. My rent is now $12.01 a month for the next year. Plus, my utilities are incredibly low compared to what I used to pay in the house. Smaller space, one level, less to heat and cool. Everything just feels more efficient. Somewhere around that time, I noticed something else too. One morning I was sitting there and it hit me. I wasn't thinking about moving anymore. I wasn't looking ahead. I wasn't thinking about the next place. I was just enjoying where I already was. And I remember thinking, this might be the closest thing to what I imagined retirement would feel like. 10 years ago, I probably would have thought this looked boring. Now it feels rich. Because I was afraid moving into an apartment would feel like settling somehow. Instead, it ended up feeling more like simplifying. Now, that doesn't mean apartment living is perfect. I really miss having a garden. I love digging in the dirt, growing veggies, and just walking out before dinner to pick something to eat. And I miss having a garage too. But overall, I've gained more than I gave up. I still look at listings, but over the past year, I noticed I stopped feeling like I needed to move. I still think I'll own again someday. I'm just not in a hurry anymore. So when that renewal came through, I signed it. Not because this apartment is perfect, but because for this season of my retirement, it just works. And when I buy again, it'll look different. Smaller, one level, probably a townhome with less to maintain. But retirement has changed the question I ask when I walk into a house. Not what's the smartest housing decision, but what kind of day do I actually want to wake up to? And that's enough for me.